shining stars in the sky. I'm sure my room should be here. Mom said so. Mom, Sissy is in my room. I'm so sorry. And please don't call her. Aha! This is Know Your Room. That is your room. Episode 2. Me wanting a follower or commenter or a subscriber. Please. Ding ding. Let me see. One. Ding. It's just a message. Ding ding. Aha. Me. Welcome to the doors of the doors. Oh, see me. But I want to go home. Me. Okay, open the door and then open the other door. Then the other door. Oh, see me. Oh, okay. I'll do it. Me. Now open the door. Oh, see me. Okay, I will. Like for part 2.